Prioritizing your health, it's so important. And today we're talking about the Black Legacy Advancement Coalition. It's launching a new wellness expo called Health is Wealth, and it's happening right here in Metro Detroit. Joining us this morning to talk about it and the program, plus the resources this is going to provide to Metro Detroiters, is President Dexter Sullivan with the Black Legacy Advancement Coalition. Dexter, good morning, and thanks for joining us.
Good morning, Jen. Thank you so much for having us.
Of course, it's great to have you here. So let's dive right into this. Health is wealth. What do you mean by that? When you say that, that's kind of an eye-catching thing. Why did you name the event Health is Wealth?
Well, so oftentimes we prioritize things and going after dreams, etc. But if we don't have the health in place, it makes it very challenging to sustain that. And so we want to make sure that Detroiters, especially Metro Detroiters, have the resources necessary to level up in their health so that they can be effective everywhere else.
Absolutely. And we have learned certainly during the course of the pandemic how important physical and mental health is to being successful in our everyday lives, for sure. Tell me a little bit about the Black Legacy Advancement Coalition. You're the president of this organization. What is your mission?
Our mission, we are a movement that builds Black power by providing education and resources that uplift communities. Right now, I'm going live from the Ali Legacy House, which is a home for our apprenticeship program, where we're empowering young people. And the Health is Wealth Detroit is another avenue that we see important. And so we're wanting to make sure that we're providing resources for that.
In terms of getting individuals interested in caring about their health, mental and physical, what stigmas, Dexter, do you think people battle, and what stigmas does your organization battle in getting people to take health seriously?
Well, specifically, Jen, in the Black community, there's a lot of mistrust when it comes to the medical field. When you look at the historic use of Black people's information for lab testing, et cetera, a lot of Black people don't feel comfortable when it comes to the medical field. And so we are bringing the best of the best. We have doctors coming from Henry Ford, the Detroit Medical Center, reputable medical experts and wellness experts that can give a holistic view at health. We'll be doing free health screenings, lab testing right on site. We'll have eyeglass testing also for our young people. There will be opportunity for immunizations, all of the things that are necessary, but we also will have the information. So there will be panels all day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., as well as closing with a great concert. But the idea behind that is to make sure that we're getting over the information so people can take control of their wellness.
Absolutely. Knowledge for sure is power. And I know this event is happening on the 16th right there in Eastern Market at Shed 3. In terms of registration, do people need to pre-register for this?
We encourage them to. We have a couple dozen amazing sponsors that are giving so many things away. And so when you register, you'll be enlisted in those giving opportunities. Shinola is giving a Runwell watch away, and that's been really popular. Folks want that watch. But there's also merch from the Lions and the Pistons and so many things that will be happening. So when you register, you'll be available. But you can go to healthiswealthdetroit.com and sign up today. But you can also just come and hang out and get some food and enjoy the presentations.
And last thing before I let you go, Dexter, about how many people are you expecting? I know this is sort of an expo, the first of its kind. Do you have a goal for how many people attend?
Well, we are projected between 2,000 and 4,000 people. The Eastern Market does their wellness market on Tuesdays, and we're doing this in collaboration with them. And so they usually see between 2,000 and 4,000 on a Tuesday at market. So we're hoping to boost that number and see even more folks come out and take advantage of these amazing resources. It is a completely free event, so you want to take advantage.
There you go. You heard him say it, folks, a free event, great opportunity to get information from the experts and just to hang out and enjoy the beautiful Eastern Market as well.
Thank you, Jen.
All right, Dexter, thanks so much for joining us. Dexter Sullivan, the president of the Black Legacy Advancement Coalition. We appreciate your time and all of that information.
A pleasure.